clothes worn by the top 1% of the world, made in this village. The story of a man who turned an Italian countryside village into a world-class luxury brand. The Italian high-end luxury brand Brunello Cucinelli began in a small village in the Umbria region called Solomeo. Located about a 5-hour drive from Milan, this picturesque village is home to a church, theater, library, factory, and offices, all nestled together like a painting. It's more than just the brand's headquarters. It is the embodiment of the brand itself. The Brunello Cucinelli logo features a medieval castle, a griffin, and the inscription Solomeo, which marks the year 1391 when Solomeo was first recorded in history. This represents the brand's pride in producing all of its products within this village. The brand's signature elegant and minimalist designs, along with its nature-inspired colors and textures, all stem from this very place. Brunello Cucinelli launched his brand in 1978 with luxurious cashmere knitwear. Born the son of a factory worker near Perugia, he decided at the age of 25 to create modern, colorful cashmere sweaters. At the time, using delicate fibers from Mongolian Herkus goats, hand-combed and dyed in vibrant colors by Italian artisans, was a bold innovation. While most knitwear back then came in muted tones, his vivid, eye-catching pieces gained immediate attention. In 1982, he relocated a factory near Perugia to Solomeo, his wife's hometown, and began restoring the village. He purchased the entire town, restoring abandoned medieval castles, towers, churches, and ruins into a beautiful living space. He built the company's headquarters and factory, as well as a library, theater, and fitness center for employees and their families, and restored the church in the town square. His focus was on improving the quality of communal life. As a result, Solomeo transformed from a headquarters location into a village that is the brand. A technical school in the village trains artisans daily, and most of the residents are Cucinelli employees. They work while gazing out at nature through wide windows, earn 20% more than the average wage, and enjoy 90-minute lunches in the company cafeteria. The village also has a school where young people learn craftsmanship, and shops selling locally grown fruits, vegetables, cheeses, and more. Vineyards and wineries are also operated by the community. This small village is like a miniature planet Earth, where everything is in harmony. Cucinelli aimed to go beyond product manufacturing to create goods that satisfy both workers and consumers. He sought to produce high-quality clothing in a comfortable, beautiful, and creative space, garments that could be worn for years. He strived to practice business without causing harm to others, guided by ethics and dignity. His brand philosophy is rooted in humanism, drawing from the ideas of philosophers like Kant, Socrates, and Dante. His core values include the dignity of labor, balance of time, and aesthetic management. His book, The Dream of Solomeo, outlines his vision of humanistic capitalism. "I wanted to build a beautiful business that respects human dignity," he says. Through his brand, Cucinelli has improved real lives and revived an entire village. His philosophy is deeply reflected in every product. The restrained designs, natural materials, and nature-inspired colors and silhouettes represent the essence of the old money aesthetic. The brand has grown globally. As of 2024, annual revenue reached €1.28 billion, with 17.8% growth in the US and 12.6% in the Asian market. The brand now operates 130 directly owned stores, with plans to open new locations in Dubai, Vancouver, and Paris. The goal is to double revenue by 2030. Cucinelli is also committed to reuse and sustainability. He emphasizes that true luxury lies not in expensive materials, but in respect for people, philosophy, and authenticity. He didn't just build a company, he created a village, a culture, a philosophy, and a community. Today, he continues to show that beautiful management is possible within capitalism. His brand is more than fashion, it's a way of life and a meaningful message to the world. Brunello Cucinelli is realizing humanism through his brand. The brand itself has become a means to enrich local communities and improve lives. It's not merely a luxury label, but a consistent pursuit of values based on philosophy, something truly worth paying attention to. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.